Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a BMW F20 M Sport in here and I'm going to show you guys how to remove this door card, this window switch, wing mirror, the glass, the lock, door lock and the door handle as well. These models were built basic anyway, so all you need is a T20, some sort of pry, something to pry on this, screwdriver if you ain't got one of these door card removal tools. So first what we're going to do is remove this trim along here and this trim here to get to the bolts. On your driver's side window switch, you want to bring the window down to about 3/4 down. Why we need to do that is to take out the glass. So just start with putting the window down to about 3/4 of the way down. We're going to remove this trim here and this door trim here. So to do that, if you've not got a prying tool, basically just go in there with one of the prying tools and work it around each side, and then that will just come out like that, and then you can see your T20 there. So while we're prying, what you want to do, there's a little gap at the bottom here. You just want to go in there. It might be a bit stiff, but just work it around. You just want to get to this middle trim. So I pried it down there, and then once it comes here, you want to push this that way so you don't break that. So when you're putting it back on, it is sliding like that. So just beware of that, guys, this part here. So when it comes down, just pull it that way. If you pull it this way, you're going to snap that and it's not going to go back in. If you have a look in there, T20 there, there's one there and there's one there. You just get a T20 and do that, take it off. If you've got a power tool, you could use a power tool. That's one. And we've got one in there and one in there. We got two at the bottom here. One here, one there. One where my finger is there, and another one where my finger is there. So now, guys, there's 5 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to start from this side here. There, I can find a gap. Once you get that in there, when you find the gap, you just have to flick in. If you've not got one of these tools, you just have to do it with a screwdriver. So you just work it around. What you need to do is lift this upwards. Lift it upwards and pull it this way. So I might have taken out one of them clips and just put it back in there. And once it's off here, guys, what I like to do is I just simply like to take it off from this end here. So you just pull down, move it out, it comes off like that. And at the back here, one more sensor for the door is held on there. Just take that off there. And on the sensor wire here, there's a tab that you push in, flick it over, like that, and that's your door card away. If you wanted to remove this, for example, push in there, and it just comes out like that. That's how you take off the door switch. So once this door card's removed, you're presented with this very basic BMW, just one speaker, no modules, no control modules or nothing. So what you need to do next to take out the window regulator, we need to remove this. So the best way to do this is dig in and then get a blade and just go around and cut it so you could reuse it. Unless you buy a new one, you just rip it apart. But you're going to be saying you just have to cut it somewhere, and then you could move this out of the way if you want by just pressing in and you just take away that sensor. Squeeze in with your hand and that comes off. You just have to take away the seal. Just peel it away, put your hand behind. You need to get your window switch again, the one that I took off earlier, and if you could have a look where that white hole is there, and then you get one that lines up on this side here as well. So what we need to do is push them in. So if you've not got it down, you see that white hole there, you need it to line up to about there where you can see them both, where you can push them in to release the window. So I'm just going to do that now. You need a screwdriver, something with a bit of power. You just need to put it in the middle there and push in and lift up till you hear it come out. And then you do the same again on this side here. You push it into that, where that little gap is, push it in, lift up, that will come out. The angle of that. The window regulator is bolted on with a 10mm here, 2, 3, 4, and then this wire here. So I'm just going to be taking away these 4 here. There's a little tab here. Now you could push in, get a little screwdriver, push this in, get that out of the way. Okay, there's one for this wire up here, same again, just push it in. So I'm going to go 10mm and take these 4 out now. Push this out, this out, this out, this out, put this through here. Now I've got access to this wire. That's how you take out the window regulator, guys. Very basic on a BMW, because it's a basic car. Next, guys, I'll be taking out this door lock and this door handle. I'm going to be taking out this door handle first, guys. So let's do that. Get to the door handle, guys. First we need to do is remove this little grommet here. Once that grommet's out, you need a hexagon 4. So now I'm going to try to do my best to show you guys. If you look in there, there's nothing. You've got to look at that angle and it's going that way. So you have to go in at that angle there. You see how my screwdriver is placed? It's that way. So now I've caught it, you just take it out. There's a bolt in there, you just need to release it till you could get the cover off from the front. You could use what I'm using or just an Allen key, size 4. Once you feel it's come out released, what you need to do, get this out, get something to pry this on and just get this out. The barrel will come out. Once the barrel comes out, you push this forward, you lift up, you push it forward towards the lock barrel and then pull back and that will come away. What you need to do is at the cover here, you need to take away this cover here and then you got a T20. Bring this down here. It's still locked on to the barrel inside. But what I do, guys, is I'm going to show you the easy way. What I do is just held on with 2 bolts with this door lock. So I could show you how to remove this door lock too. So you got a T30 here and 2 there. T30 here. 2 on the side here. And what you need to do, there's one more wire here. Just catch it with a screwdriver. And then bend that one through an angle and they're both joined together. Once you got it off here, so you gotta lift out one side, try not to break it or nothing, and then that's how you take away your door lock, and that's your door handle. Now to rebuild your handle back up, basically you just have to put that back in, so back notch catches. Push that down, push that so it goes in there. Get your lock barrel and it's built back up. You lock it in there and you lock it from the front. To get rid of this wing mirror, you just lift on this with your hand. You don't need no special tool. Just pull this out, pull it back, take this away. One T30 there, one there, and then you have to lift this cover up and you got another one hiding at the back here, just there. When you do the third one, just put your hand at the back here, and then you got the wire, and that's your mirror out. And for the speakers, guys, once you've taken away that sensor, 20s, one there, one there, one there, and it just comes out. So that's the whole door removed, guys. That's nothing left on the door there. Thank you guys for watching me take away this BMW F20 door, all the panels and bits and bobs inside. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share if possible. Thank you, bye.